Good morning to all the bright stars gathered here today. Respected Principal Ma'am, dear colleagues, and my wonderful students, good morning to all of you. Today, I want to talk about something that does not shine like a trophy, does not make noise like applause, but quietly builds the strongest bridge to success. That is hard work. मेहनत वो चाबी है जो किस्मत के हर बंद ताले को खोल देती है. In a world that often celebrates instant fame and overnight success, we sometimes forget the silent, consistent effort that goes on behind the scene. Whether it's a student preparing for exams, a teacher crafting lessons late into the night, or a parent working tirelessly for their child's future, hard work is the invisible thread that waves every achievement. Let me share a simple truth. Think of a seed. It does not bloom overnight. It faces darkness, pressure, and time. But with patience and effort, it becomes a tree that gives shade and fruit. Similarly, your efforts today, your discipline, your dedication will shape the future you dream of. To my dear students, don't fear hard work. It is your most loyal companion. It won't betray you, it won't leave you, and it will always reward you. Maybe not immediately, but definitely. Hard work is not just a habit, it's a lifestyle. So let's promise today to work hard, dream big, and never give up. Now, everyone, repeat after me. मेहनत करेंगे, हार नहीं मानेंगे, सपनों को सच बनाएंगे. Thank you, everyone.